underlying theme of your books is like you have a plot.
Yes.
You have a lot of characters in those books, and multiple stories go back and back. But then the underlying concept is a single thread. So how do you club all these things and bring it to a singular thread, a common point?
So, isme, I keep telling people that, if you are writing something like, let us say, literary fiction, if it is pure literary fiction, then in that case, it is an art. But when you are writing genre fiction, which means crime thrillers, mythological thrillers, thrillers in general, then it is not an art, it is a craft. With every book that you turn out, you become slightly better at that craft. It is like a sculptor doing that same sculpture again and again and again, and he becomes a little better with every sculpture. So what I at least do is, I will typically spend 6 months to 12 months on the research, which will include reading, travel, meeting people, talking to individuals, interviewing, because वो जो reality है वो उसी से आती है. To give you an example, जैसे चाणक्य चांट है, उसमें एक scene है पुलिस स्टेशन का, और interrogation चल रहा है, वो यूपी का कोई स्टेशन है. तो I spoke to a police officer and I said कि भाई ये interrogation जो होता है ये कैसे होता है? तो he said, बेटा तुम really समझना चाहते हो? I said हाँ. So he said, अच्छा ठीक है, देखो ये मेरे टेबल पे क्या रखा है? तो वहाँ पर करीब मेरे ख्याल से 3 या 3.5 फुट लंबा एक पाइप पड़ा हुआ था, काले रंग का पाइप, करीब 2 इंच 2.5 इंच मोटा होगा. So I said ये क्या है? So he said, इसको मैं कहता हूँ अपना समाज सुधारक. तो I said, but मुझे जरा समझाइए इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? He said, इससे अगर हम तुम्हारी पिटाई करेंगे तो तुम्हारे शरीर पे निशान नहीं आएंगे, and it will be very difficult to find out that we beat you. But इसमें अच्छों की छूट जाती है very quickly. So now that comes into Chanakya chant. That is there, and that is what makes these stories come alive. Those little bits. When I was writing my book for Patterson, the first book, I remember first time मैं बॉम्बे में वहाँ पर गया, कूपर हॉस्पिटल मॉर्ग में, because when I was describing a scene of a morgue, how to get the atmosphere of a morgue. तो वहाँ पर it is nothing like what you think of American series, etc. इतनी गंदगी, इतना कीचड़, bodies piled up सब जगह. अच्छा, मैं 2 मिनट 3 मिनट के अंदर भागा बाहर निकला और मेरी उल्टी हो गई, because the smell was so terrible. फिर इतने में वो जो मेडिकल एग्जामिनर थे वो बाहर निकले. He was still wearing his green colored robes, and उनके हाथ में एक स्टील का डब्बा था. तो मैंने कहा कि क्या है? He said, इसमें विक्स वेपोरब है, अपने 2 उंगलियां अंदर डालो और खूब अपने मुंह के ऊपर रब कर लो, ताकि वो स्मेल तुमको, यहाँ का जो स्मेल है वो बिल्कुल छिप जाएगा. Now those are small things that you get when you actually go and research. So 1 year goes away in research. Then, and this is now answering your question regarding the thread, मैं अगले 3 महीने तक प्लॉटिंग करता हूँ. प्लॉटिंग का मतलब होता है कि मैं एक्सेल स्प्रेडशीट पे एक चैप्टर, और आपको ये अपील करना चाहे, आई एम श्योर इट विल अपील टू यू बिकॉज यू आर अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट.
That's what my Excel spreadsheet is.
So Excel spreadsheet I use in order to plot each chapter, and each chapter what happens in that chapter, what are the plot points. And you know, the most difficult thing in a story, most difficult thing, is to get someone to turn the page. Do you know that they did a study in the US to find out, and they found that the total universe, पूरा जो ब्रह्मांड है, 129 million books in the universe, of which when people go into a bookstore, they spend exactly 15 seconds on the front cover and 18 seconds on the back cover before deciding whether to pick up the book and take it to the cashier or not. But the more dangerous statistic is that the average book is only read up to page 18. 18 पंक्तियां. Imagine. So the point is that it is very difficult to engage someone and to keep them turning the pages. It was the great director, Alfred Hitchcock. He said that the length of a movie is related to the endurance of the human bladder. कि जब तक आपको बाथरूम नहीं जाना हो, you'll sit and watch the movie. I like to think when I'm writing my books that I'm sitting in a room and there are 10 people sitting there and I'm telling them a story. But in those 10 people, there are 3 or 4 who want to get up and go to the bathroom. But they don't go because the story is so interesting. That is what I try and do with my plotting. So once I'm done with the plotting, that is the time when I start writing, and that is what causes that single thread.
Okay, right. So, at the end of every book, we always look forward to it. Just like, we have the Ashiki 2, the Spider-Man 2, the Superman 2. So you create that thread at the end of the book also.
Well, people ask me, what is the formula for writing a bestseller? So I have always maintained that there are 3 very easy steps to writing a bestseller. The first step is basically that your first paragraph of the book should be like a Mumbai pothole. इंदौर में तो potholes है नहीं. इंदौर तो इतनी, जिसे कहते हैं, it has become a beautiful सुहाना शहर. But मुंबई में आप कहीं पर भी चले जाइए तो सड़क में pothole गड्ढे होंगे. So your first paragraph should be like a गड्ढा जहां पर आप अंदर गिर जाते हैं और फिर निकलने की गुंजाइश नहीं है. Where you cannot get out from the pothole. That should be the first paragraph of your book. The second step is that every chapter of your book should end with a hook, so that I don't leave it to you to decide whether you will turn the page or not. You have to turn the page. That is the second step. And the third is that the last paragraph should be such that your reader wants to look out for your next book. So if you can do that, then you are a bestseller.
So that's the lesson for all the new writers. So before we move to the question answer session, just few short questions, right? You have been working with an international author, yes, Mr. James Patterson.
Yes.
How has been the experience? 2 culturally different authors.
आपको मालूम है, मेरी आज तक उनसे मुलाकात नहीं हुई है.
अच्छा.
हम 2 किताबें लिख चुके हैं साथ में, but we have not met. We've only Skyped, teleconferences किए हैं. But the way it normally works is कि James का, he has a formula. And that formula is basically that if you notice, all the chapters of a James Patterson book are always very short. Does everyone know that he's the world's highest selling author? The world's highest selling author is Patterson. Last year, his royalty and income as a single individual published author was somewhere upwards of $93 million.
93.
So he is like an industry. So what he does is basically that he will, either a story idea will come from him or a story idea will come from his partner. In the first book, I was the one who created the story. So I was made to write the plot outline, which was about 10,000 words. Then after that, that went to James. James came back with his suggestions. We froze on an idea. Then first draft is written by the person who has not written the plot. So first draft was written by James. Then it came back to me for a second draft, and it went back to James for the final draft. In the second book, it was the reverse process.
Okay.
The plot came from him. I wrote the first draft. So दोनों जो आवाजें हैं, both voices, उनका मिश्रण बहुत अच्छे से होता है, because that back and forth is happening.
Okay. Something about your new book which tells about something about science, the Keepers of Kal Chakra?
Keepers of Kal Chakra, actually, Naveen came from a nightmare. मैं एक दिन उठा सुबह और have you had nightmares?
Daily.
Have you had nightmares?
Daily.
So it was so real. मैं सुबह उठ गया करीब 5 बजे, and the nightmare seemed so real. I was totally sweating. तो मतलब कुर्ता पजामा बदलना पड़ा because of the sweat. And the next morning, then I told my wife, I said, this seemed so real and it was so scary. And I'm wondering that could my dream be my real life? Could it be that when I'm sitting here, this is my dream, and when I go into my sleep, then that is my real life? And that वो कहते ना बत्ती ऑन, वो बत्ती ऑन हो गई, और मैं सोच रहा था कि what if my real life is when I'm sleeping, and what would I be if that is the case? And you know, in the region of quantum theory in physics, you have what is called quantum entanglement. It's a concept that you can take a subatomic particle. One is in New York, one is thousands of miles away in New Delhi, but both behave exactly the same way. Their spin, their velocity, their behavior is identical. So the question that came in my mind was that if you can have quantum entanglement in the subatomic level, then can you have entanglement at the planetary level, at the galaxy level, at the human level? What if I have a quantum twin sitting somewhere else? That is what led to Kal Chakra.
So you have brought in science in that movie.
Absolutely.
If Chetan Bhagat is on Bollywood, when will we see Ashwin Sanghi's book on the screen?
प्रॉब्लम ये है, और जितने भी प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं वो मुझसे कहते हैं कि द प्रॉब्लम इज मिस्टर सांगी कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड किताबें लिखते हैं, सो इट डजंट रियली वर्क, बिकॉज 2 घंटे 20 मिनट का फिल्म होता है, उसमें 20 मिनट तो गानों में चले जाते हैं, तो 2 घंटे रहे कहानी के लिए, अब 2 घंटे में आप कितना सुनाओगे? टेक अ बुक लाइक सियालकोट सागा, इट्स 70 years. In 70 years, how can you explain it in 2 hours? So, but what has changed, Naveen, is that we now have many options. So, for example, one of my books, the Sialkot Saga, is now becoming a web series. So, that 3 seasons of that will soon come out.
Okay.
Similarly, for example, the Krishna Key is going to be retold as a 2-part film, so that we will have 4 hours available to tell the story. So, there are many things happening, but अभी दिल्ली दूर है.
हेलो सर,
हाँ.
माय नेम इज साक्षी.
Hi.
आपने जब अपनी फर्स्ट नॉवेल लिखी थी,
हाँ जी.
जब वो पब्लिश होने वाली थी,
हाँ जी.
तो आपको क्या फील आ रहा था? मतलब क्या होगा, लोग पढ़ेंगे या नहीं?
नहीं, वो जो आप कह रहे हैं वो तो बहुत दूर की बात थी कि लोग इसको पढ़ेंगे कि नहीं. पहली चीज थी कि ये प्रकाशित भी होगी कि नहीं. तो मतलब यू नो द होल थिंकिंग, तो वो करीब 1.5 साल 2 साल निकल गए ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द पब्लिशर. अच्छा, यू नो इट इज इजी टू गेट डिप्रेस्ड. तो मेरे जहाँ पर मेरा डेस्क है वहाँ पर एक बोर्ड लगा हुआ था, उस पर लिखे थे कुछ नंबर्स 12, 18, 30, 38 ऐसे करके. तो पीपल यूज्ड टू कम एंड आस्क मी व्हाट इज दिस. So, you know, 12 is the number of times that first book of Harry Potter was rejected. 18 was the number of times that the book Jonathan Livingston Seagull, which was a classic of the time, was rejected. 30 was the number of times that Stephen King, the greatest thriller writer of the world, was rejected. 38 was the number of times Gone with the Wind was rejected. And somewhere close to that, 34 was the number of times that Chicken Soup for the Soul was rejected. So the point was, I said to myself, I said, Ashwin, तुम्हारी किताब लोग पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि तुम्हारे rejections इतने ज़्यादा हैं that at some point of time you are going to compare to these people. That's all.
So, just talking of numbers, Ashwin, so talking of numbers, why did you choose that number 13? That's very important.
You know, 13 gets a very bad rap, Naveen. 13, because we've all heard of Friday the 13th. Acha, jo original Hammurabi, the code of Hammurabi, talks about the 13th law of Hammurabi, which is, you know, taking someone's life, the death sentence. And 13 was the number of disciples at the table when Jesus Christ had his last supper. So 13 is considered to be a bad number. So, you know, when I was writing, when I was trying to get published, हमारे एक पंजाबी दोस्त थे, मित्र थे, फैमिली के फ्रेंड थे, वो मेरे फादर के साथ आप अपना विस्की लेने फ्राइडे या सैटरडे को आते थे. तो you know, they used to like having Johnny Walker Black Label Patiala peg. तो Patiala peg, you know, everyone knows what a Patiala peg is, right? 3 fingers, but 3 fingers not held like this, but held like this. So that's a Patiala peg. So they used to pour their Patiala pegs, and so this Punjabi gentleman, he asked me, he said, "Beta, तुम बहुत depressed लग रहे हो, क्या हो गया है?" I said, "Uncle, पूरी दुनिया घूम चुके, कोई publish करने को तैयार नहीं है, literary agents, publishers, सबने ना कह दिया है." So he said, "Remember one thing." He picked up his glass. He said, "In life, 99% is about good luck." So I was in an argumentative mood. I said, "But then 1% must be hard work, efficiency, networking, management. कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा 1% में." So he drained his entire glass, smashed it down on the table, and said, 99% is good luck, 1% is bloody good luck. So that is the time I said कि भाई कभी ना कभी तो मेरा good luck भी आएगा, right? So I wrote that book with 13 because I wanted to explain that it's not about luck. It's about many things which we call luck. You know, it was a French actor, Jean Cocteau. He said that, of course I believe in luck. How else do you explain the success of those whom you don't like? So when I am successful, it's because I work hard. When you are successful, it's because you got lucky. So that is the nature of what we call luck.
Sir, I am asking that you must have faced writer's block.
Haji.
Then how?
There is no writer's block that a peg of whiskey does not cure. But having said that, let me tell you, writer's block is meant for those people who want to find an excuse not to write. अगर आप अपनी research, planning, plotting, सब कर जाओ, and you go through that entire process, many people start writing their stories without doing any planning, without any research, without any plotting, and they just hope that किसी ना किसी तरीके से वो सरस्वती माँ जो हैं वो हमको बख्श देंगी, हमको हेल्प कर देंगी और वो वर्ड्स आ जाएंगे. That is not the way it works. By the time I sit down to actually write, आपने वो जो बच्चों की कलरिंग किताब होती है जिसमें आउटलाइंस बने होते हैं, फिर हम क्रेयॉन से उसमें कलरिंग करते हैं. My writing process is like that because all the outlines are already there. Now I only need to decide कि इसमें red डालना है, green डालना है, blue डालना है. That is the way writing should be. And मैं हर सुबह 5 बजे उठ जाता हूँ और मैं 9 बजे तक लिखता हूँ 4 घंटे के लिए. वो उसको मैं कहता हूँ कि सरस्वती माँ का बहुत बड़ा देन है कि आज तक तो ये हालत कभी नहीं आई है कि where in those 4 hours I have not been able to produce lots of output.
So thank you, sir. It was lovely listening to you and your experiences.
Thank you,
and we
Naveen.
wish that next
Thank
time
you.
when you write a book, you have Indore as one of its plot in your book. Right?
Thank you,
Right.
Naveen. And thank you, Praveen ji, for inviting me here. And thank you, Indore. आपका प्रेम इतना है that I am excited to be here. Thank you.